Today we'll be talking about alkanes. Alkanes are generally considered the simplest family of molecules. They're often called saturated hydrocarbons. They're called hydrocarbons because they contain only hydrogen and carbon, as illustrated by these molecules up here. They're considered saturated because they contain single bonds between the hydrogen and carbons, therefore giving the most amount of hydrogens per carbon possible.
So these are the alkanes, and this is the general formula that we use to name the compounds: C sub n, H sub 2n plus 2, where n stands for the number of carbons found in the molecule. So right here we have methane, which has 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens bonded to it. And then as you go along, ethane, you add a carbon and then the appropriate number of hydrogens, so that the formula is C2H6. You keep adding carbons each time, and it's going to change the name. So you'll have methane, ethane, propane, butane, and then you'll just keep going.
Alright, today we're going to be doing naming alkanes, okay? Here you go. You got your prefix right here. You got your where and what is that right there. You got your, find out what your constituents are. Now you got to find out your locane. Your locane is where your primary functional group is, alright? Now you got to get your parent. You got to get your parent molecule in there. You got to find out how many carbons there are in that parent chain, alright? You got to find out because they're missing. Now get your suffix. Your suffix is what is the primary group that you're trying to find, okay? Now these are the very special rules that you must find when you're trying to locate what in the world this thing is, alright? There you go. That's naming alkanes.